Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your theme color on Kofi. So once you're inside Kofi, guys, inside your account here, all you have to do is simply click on the your profile button at the uppermost right hand side, and this is gonna take you to your page, and you will be able to see what your page look like. Now you can easily go ahead and change the color here. So what you want to do is look towards the upper right hand side, and you will see a section here that shows cover, and it also shows like the little paint icon, right? So you want to click on that. This is where it has the custom colors, and you can choose whatever you want. So here is what it's currently set to, and I can change it to something else. So let's go ahead and use something that is more visible so we can see it. So let's choose, for example, this green color here. So if I select that, you will see that those icons and so forth actually changes. So I think it's a useful thing because you can somehow kind of give your page or profile a color that is something that you use on your, let's say, your YouTube channel or whatever it is. If you have any specific color that you use, it's possible that you can easily go ahead and choose something. You can also click and choose a custom color as well. So if you know the custom color ID that you want to use, you can go ahead and you can enter that here. So whether it's your personal brand or whatever it is, and you're using coffee and you'd like to use that specific color, you can easily go ahead and add that here so that you can add a specific color. So let's say mine was somewhere in this kind of color as an example, right? I basically want to choose this. Let's say that's my color. I can choose that, then click and save. It is now added, and as you can see, the color actually changes. And that's it, guys. It's very easy and very simple how to add custom color to your Kofi account.